It's April 15th, 2013. I was just driving on my way to a customer's and saw this guy land, and he's getting ready. It looks like he's getting ready to take off. Let's watch this for a second. I'm on my way over to a customer's house, and I just saw this, and I was like, cool, man, let's watch this guy for a second. Here he goes, he's taking off. Look, 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 look. I love it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Well, that was cool. Well, that was cool. It was something different for the day. I'll post that on my YouTube page. I'll go over here and take a look at this client's water garden. I'm working in conjunction with another contractor. They're doing all the patio kind of work area. They're putting a new patio in, and they wanted to update their fountain, and what they want me to do is do the connections that connect up to what he has. So I won't be doing the whole job. I'm just doing one part of the job, that's all. So it's on my video. I've already put it on the YouTube page, so you guys can see it. That's it for now.